How to download Adobe InDesign for free. Hello everybody, welcome back. If you're downloading that, you can follow the steps. So you can head over to the official website of Adobe InDesign, and go ahead and click on it. After that, you should be finding this interface. So if you want to download it, you need to certainly pay some amount. There is no free way. But if you really don't want to pay, what you can do is you should be finding option called free trial on your screen right beside buy now. You can click on it. So it gives you the same experience for about 7 days. But in order to access that, you need to go ahead and purchase. You can go ahead and use this last option, monthly, which is something you can cancel anytime and no fee. So you can go ahead and purchase this, continue the process, and you can add 7-day trial and continue. And when you do that, you can go ahead and access Adobe InDesign. But after you access it for free for 7 days, you can just go ahead and cancel it, and there will be no charge. So this is how you can basically use Adobe InDesign for free. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.